name is Robert Brix Glover, but I'm known as Brix. I'm a fitness entrepreneur, I guess social media influencer. YouTuber is a term that I've been embracing because I guess that's what I am, a YouTuber. And but most of all, I'm just a person I feel like God is using as a vessel to give people hope. The way that I deliver my theory on fitness is to simplify it. It can be really intimidating to people because there's so much information, there's so many things that make people feel like they're doing it wrong or they're not doing enough. And I have a very simple way to frame fitness mentally. So I think simplifying it for people, it makes them feel like it's something that they can do. It gives them hope. It gives them, I share when I don't feel like working out. And I just go to the gym and I walk on the treadmill. It's about consistency over intensity. I try to help people not overthink and not complicate fitness and try to break it down in a simple way that makes it not as intimidating, and it takes the pressure away from it and it helps them enjoy it. That'll be easier to justify than 2 boosted boards. What I love the most about what I do is affecting other people's lives in a positive way. I've been through a lot, I've been through a lot of ups and downs, mostly downs, and I learned a lot of lessons. I know people tend to isolate themselves with their problems, and I just want them to know that they're not the only people going through these things. So I love being transparent, being available. Life led me to a very dark place. I had recently lost my job because I got into some trouble with the law, and I was depressed. I had recently gotten a divorce, and I just didn't feel good about myself. And I felt like, addressing my weight issues and my self-esteem issues would be a good place to invest energy into fixing my entire life. And I was in a dark place. I was suicidal, and I wanted to take control. I kind of reached a crossroads in my life where it was like, okay, either take your own life or get control of your life, your health, the way you think, the way you operate as a man. And that's how I found fitness. And the sunshine that fitness brought to my life, I wanted to share that with people, because I know a lot of people can relate to a lot of the low points in my story, and it's not something that everyone talks about. So I just wanted to share that with people and let them know how taking care of your body and eating good and exercising can affect every area of your life. So that's a big part of the inspiration for what I do. I started this business because I always wanted to live a life making a living doing something I'm passionate about. My personal weight loss journey is kind of what inspired me to do this. So I personally lost 140 pounds, and from the day that I decided to change my lifestyle, I somehow knew it that I was going to make fitness a career. Some of the challenges, it definitely growing an audience on social media was a big challenge because I started off just doing one-on-one personal training in the gym, and I was in the gym 14 hours a day sometimes, and I was missing out on life. I was missing my son's basketball games. I was missing his daughter's recitals. You know, I was giving so much time to that, building my personal training business, that I wasn't happy. It took away the joy of fitness for me. So when I decided to start YouTube, it was because I wanted more time freedom, and I wanted to build a business where I can be remote. Being consistent was the most challenging part, and my content is so emotional that it drained me on that level. I think a lot of the times, you know, people, they express to me how much I inspire them. I inspire them, and I don't think they know how much them even expressing that fuels us as content creators. Because for me personally, that's why I do it. That's what makes the late nights and the early mornings worth it. Just, you know, getting that feedback from people, understanding how much we positively impact their lives. So to that person, I would just say thank you for speaking up, for expressing how our content as content creators impact them. If you watch a video that inspires you, share that. Let that video do for someone else what it did for you. My name is Robert Brix Glover, and I just want to inspire people.